Qingdao I-Flow was established in 2010. We are a manufacturer and seller focusing on providing customers with high-quality, fully equipped valves, including accessories. We not only manufacture a variety of standard valves, but also design and produce valves according to customer requirements. We are a caring family. Ever since we started up, we have been delivering thoughtful care to customers, to every detail as we could, address value customer needs, comply with regulations, respond quickly, quote competitively while strictly control quality and lead time. I-Flow owns its research and development team, and is managed strictly under ISO 9001 quality control system. We have supplied to international clients for 10 years and are selling to more than 50 countries worldwide. Our products are used in Shangri-La Hotel, IKEA, GE and Fiat Workshop, COSCO vessels. In addition, we have obtained CE, RAS, D&V, GL, LR, ABS certificates. If you are looking for a reliable partner, look no further.